Add 2 tablespoons oil. Make a paste out of 1 medium-sized onion and 2 green chilies. Saute the onion till it turns golden brown in color. Now add half tablespoon ginger garlic paste and continue to saute. Add 1 small sized tomato finely chopped. Stir it. Add 250 grams of chicken. Here we have taken boneless pieces of chicken. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste. Add the slurry made out of rice flour. Make sure that the rice flour slurry doesn't stick. Mix well. Add more water. Once done, add coriander leaves.